Welcome back, everybody. Be sure to like and comment and subscribe for our channel because we really appreciate it.
Stop.
We're here today to do some fuckery shit with our boy Devin over there, which is currently putting a small PP sticker on his Miata. What is on today's agenda?
Is he another meme to our channel?
Another meme.
Whatever. Anyway, okay. So we are installing the BC Coilovers finally. I'm not sure what's on here already, but
it looks like it's some form of aftermarket.
They're ridiculous. They probably saw in the last video how spongy they were.
Yeah, it might be just stock suspension. Kind of looking at him and be like,
why are you using those?
Because I can't find my knife and I'm too lazy to walk over.
Look, it's a box in a box. Just what I ordered.
Box. These are nice. Shout
this
out
is
to
new.
BC
I didn't get these with my fucking
Hell
kit.
Yeah.
The new. Oh, yeah. I love these.
Fresh. Yes. Good on fucking BC to properly package their peanuts. Because loose peanuts make you want to fucking...
Are those extreme lows?
Yes, these are extreme lows.
Those don't look extremely low. I don't know.
9K.
This thing better be on its nuts, boy. Let me tell you.
Fronts.
Oh, great. Another set of these wrenches.
Well, we'll throw that in with the car.
I like this new 0.5 lens. It's like a 0.5 lens, so I can actually get like a wider angle when I'm recording, like doing things. What? You're doing great. Do pinch welds still exist on this car?
Fuck yeah, they do.
On the pinch weld.
There's no pinch weld. Yeah.
Do you see this one?
Yeah, I've seen that one. I saw you took off
right next to this big ass dent. Nice, it fits perfect there. I'm sure everyone on base will love it too.
You got oh, you're gonna love it. Clear coat's getting a little fucked up on the trunk, but it's okay.
That soft top looks dope.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, dude. That's way better than your other one.
Fucking AutoZone Neochrome lug nuts because I'm fast. Disgusting. Disgusting.
The matching neochrome license plate cover when you bought it.
Yeah.
I think it's still got a little bit of life left on it.
Oh. Oh, dude, those are still good.
Yeah, they're still good.
Way good.
They're good drift spare.
Absolutely.
Totally.
Filthiest.
Filthy.
While he's pulling all the wheels off, I'm going to be pulling this center console back out because I fabricated a bracket for down here that will delete the armrest. If I could just get this shit off.
You can pick the car by this.
You really could. That's like over-engineered.
Hell yeah, that fit up perfectly.
Yup.
Yup.
Alright.
Yeah.
We'll set it down and then drill it. Damn, no slotting these lowers.
No. Yeah, look at the clearance with the sway bar. Like, limited to none.
Ooh. Drop the sway bar.
Yeah. Easier said than done, cowboy. These literally look brand new.
That's wild.
It says pole motor. I don't even know what the hell those are.
I don't know, but they're really soft. One's out. So we'll just set them straight into the box.
These are maxed out. These are not.
Well, just put them on and then we'll figure it out from there.
Yeah.
I don't know, man. Out with the new, in with the new. These look legit fresh. Whatever. It's so gross in here, dude. Ew. I'm gonna pull this out while we're doing all this and clean it up. My God. Jesus. All right, we're kind of doing this, and we're learning as we go. Most cars are the same. As you guys know, this is not a tutorial page, but we did learn that you have to pull this entire carpet out to get access to the tops of the coils.
Sharpie.
Yeah. Yep, there they are.
I don't know what that is. I know that on the other side is your igniter, which you can delete that with a cold pack upgrade like I did with the Skyline with the R35 cold pack.
What is that?
I have no fucking idea, but I do know that it's hot.
What?
Hands up.
Chod.
Ne pas toucher.
Touch her. I barely know her. Touch her too.
Got it.
Okay.
Alright, so coilovers are installed.
Coils are installed.
Easy. Now the big step.
The big step
is going to be.
Look at this little hose. Anyway, yep.
We're going to be fitting up the wheels. We're running the stock wheels for now. New wheels will be coming soon.
Stock wheels. Stock to us.
I mean, the revs.
Stock to
I mean,
us.
they're basically stock wheels.
Our good friend is going to be buying them. Don't talk shit on them.
I mean, they're quality wheels.
Senor is drilling out the bracket for the armrest delete. And be selling those. Coil in. While I'm in here, I'm probably going to go ahead and clean this out a little bit, vacuum it, and then once he's done with that and we rib nut it, we're going to set it down and we'll be able to adjust for fitment.
Yep.
Insta fitment.
Insta fitment.
We'll roll and pull. Don't camber anymore.
Ooh, that has some tension on
Wow.
it. Yeah, boy. We need to get that fucking platinum MasterCard.
Look at that paint fucked up.
Yeah.
Little recap. Went, cleaned all this up. It was pretty fucking gross in here earlier. That's pretty much as good as I can get it for now. We got the armrest delete in officially, and so we're gonna fabricate something that covers this, wraps down, and then we'll have a top. That way you can still access this. And Tucker is working on lowering the vehicle a little bit, and then we'll roll and pull the fenders, see what we can get away with. I was considering doing a spare wheel well delete, similar to how I did on the WRX. We'd probably drill these out at the spot welds, clean all this up, and we're considering welding a plate to this top section all the way around so it's completely flat, or keeping it low like this, having it step down a little. If you look at the bottom, you can see it pretty much stops right here. There's nothing dependent upon this. And the back would be the same exact thing as I did with the WRX, where I would trim this up, fold this down under, well, trim it up, fold it down under, and then tack it to the new plate. I guess we'll see whenever we get there. All right, update. Got the rears pretty dialed in, looking good. We're gonna lower the front a little bit more. Tucker's working on that now. And Devin is doing us a solid, doing a badge delete. Sick. So sick. This is promising. This is extremely promising.
This shit when you know that this thing will have better fitment than mine.
It's unfortunate.
And yours, probably.
I will update you once we get the front dialed in a little bit more, and we'll lower it and show you kind of what the fitment is that we're looking at. And then I gotta roll and pull the fronts and just roll the rears. There we go. All dialed in by yours truly.
I'm dead inside.
Alright, Tucker is taking off the brakes. I'm in the middle of rolling and pulling. That's about where we're at now.
And the couch.
And this is what it was. Flat. This one's actually kind of jacked up from the previous owner. It's like warped out in the middle a little bit from hitting. Alright, so it's the end. Of this video. After much agony, we got the car at a decent height. Obviously temporary wheels.
Oh yeah, temporary.
We just washed it and there's already dirty ass handprint. It's okay.
That was probably my handprint, 100%. Just don't look at it. Don't look.
It's not too significant, but just enough to get us the clearance we need. All the way around. Oh, goddamn. Anyway.
Worked out pretty nicely.
And this one. Ignore the paint chipping.
Yeah.
It was clapped when we got it. We got the, why does it lock? Again. Anyway, coils. Yes, those are going to be up for sale in like a couple hours. I want to reach out to old boy and see if he wants them.
I guarantee he's gonna want.
Yeah, that's about it. No, I don't even know what we're doing. What are we doing tomorrow?
So tomorrow we're going to try to dye the carpet. So we're going to take all the carpet out.
Fuck. Yeah.
So that's going to be an endeavor. We're going to fix the issue of debadging. We're going to get rid of the glue and everything on the trunk. Get all that stuff figured out. And then once we get that done, what are we ordering wheels?
Probably.
Ordering wheels.
After we look at the finances.
After we look at the finances. Then ordering wheels.
All right. Peace.
Until next time, fellas.
Were you in my dreams? Nah, nah. You played them like movie. You bad and you bougie like the devil wears Prada.